Sumoy. Ito yan. Pangit ko naman. Magod ko. Hi. Wait, are going to tour?
Mercy.
Shucks na akong boses. Paano mag-vlog?
Paos.
I would like to greet you. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Tour C. Yes. So our tour today is Tour C. So Tour C, we have a 5 destinations today. So we have a Helicopter Island, Hidden Beach, Secret Beach, but the Secret Beach as of now, because this month is southwest monsoon, so the Secret Beach is facing at the open sea, and then the wave there is bigger. So because Secret Beaches, they have small hole like this. So if the wave there is bigger, so the hole is closed. So it's dangerous to go inside of that Secret Beach. But don't worry, we're going to change on that place. Huh? At least we complete our 5 destinations today. Right? Because I've been already to Torsay yesterday, so we didn't go inside because it's dangerous. I saw you later also that place. Huh? Yeah. Okay. So and yeah, safety first ones.
Asan tayo?
El Nido, Palawan.
Itong
Ano, Helicopter Island.
helicopter. Wala akong boses.
This area we call it Talisay because of the name of tree there is Talisay. one is pork grilled. For our fruits, it's sweet gold watermelon and pineapple. Sweet gold watermelon. Sweet, bitter than your relationship. So we don't have a lobster, but we have a shrimp here and crab shrimp. Okay. Rice noodles, no meat, no chicken with garlic. Okay. Fried chicken. For our salads,
Walang boses. Di ako makapag-vlog. Walang boses. Bawal mag-uwi. So, ito na lang. Video na. Ay, nabasa. Dapat ko. Hilutin natin siya.
bakit?
Kaya mo na. Tumag ka sa akin. Sabi mo nakikita ko. Pansin naman ito. Hidden Beach, tago ka sa Hidden Beach. Charot. Wait na, video to. Hey. We're in Hidden Beach.
At El Nido,
Hello.
Palawan.
Hidden Beach. It's so lalim. Charot.
Bakit siya hidden beach?
Kasi it's hidden.
Dahil, ang sabi,
It's hidden.
nasa gitna siya ng mga bato.
Yeah. We will do a 360.
Balik na naman ang bago. Kada araw.
Look at that. It's so nice. Sabi sila sa vlog.
Pre, teka.
Magic. Papakita ko magic. Oh, magic eye. Kababay lang ito.
Lakad.
Boss. Boss, saan tayo punta, boss?
Kain.
Saan tayo kakain?
Ano yan?
Ha?
Ano yan? Kain mo.
Dun. Nakita ka sa... bawal sa daan. Ito na lang sa'yo pala tayo.
na naman pong bata ang natuwa. Ay, sarap.
Tumutulong. Morning.
Okay, before we start, I would like to start for your beautiful smile. Can I see your beautiful smile there? Can I see? What's my name again? Okay, Allen in the morning, but in evening you can call me Alena. Yes. Okay, everyone, you are running for Tour A. Pink sticker, right? Pink sticker. Okay, Tour A is composed of 5 destinations or 5 places. The first one, Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, Simiso Island, one spot for snorkeling, and the highlights of our tour, 7 Commando Beach.
Our activity in Secret Lagoon is viewing and sightseeing. So from the boat, we're going to see the
Ulo. Ulo.
Yan, inuulang baka magpapok sa'yo ng bato. Baka magasgas yung mga ng bato. Yung bato yung nagasgas hindi ako. Sorry po, sarap. Tayo, Bert. Tayo.
Thank you. Ganda. Grabe.
Harap kayo, ma'am. Okay, you go back here. You cannot see there, ma'am. Come here. Like a head of a crocodile. Silay. Kung ginawa ni silay, nakikita natin. Yan po. And here is cooked like a bird there at the top. You see? To your imagination.
And here, my baby. Hi, where are we, baby?
You're at Secret Lagoon.
Yeah, look at
Ay, hindi na siya secret yun. Alam na namin eh.
Torne. Oh, 360. My favorite thing to do here. To pop. So satisfying.
Dalahin mo ulo mo.
Diyan baka di sandal-sandal nila sa Hi vlog, welcome.
But mo?
Pabaw lang.
Pabaw lang pala. Makipakita ka na
Tama
agad.
nga dito.
Ha?
Pero nakapanang pa ako.
Bakit? Babaw lang.
Mga ano siguro, 7 feet. Ganun.
We take our lunch there.
My baby is a fish. Hi! We're at Big Lagoon with my driver. Malalim na dito na. Big Lagoon with my big baby. Hey, hey, you are born boys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Say hi to my vlog. Charot.
Hi to your vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hey! Hey! Oy, huwag ka naman babangga. Babangga mo, baby. Hi!
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Don't subscribe!
It's raining, raining.
Hiniram na ng payong. Walang hinto yung ulan eh. Hanap na kami ng makakainan. Hey, outfit check.
Saan tayo? Bila tayo. Pina, bye-bye. Huh? Ito. Ganda. Charot. Kain lang kami. Last dinner sa Palawan. Bye. What's mo?
Bye bye, Puerto.
Tatamusin sa mga.